Okay, welcome from Explorer Travel and Product Reviews by Gungalia. This is a more detailed review of our main cabin luggage. It's the Crosa rolling laptop and bag. Comes in different sizes. $99 we bought from Amazon. And the two main reasons we did buy this unit is because it has the rolling wheels, and the other reason is it has this little strap here, so it can easily go on top of our major check luggage bag, so we can just with the major item, the heavier item, this can just slip in over the top of the handle for the check luggage. It is a large bag. It will fit certainly most of the overhead lockers as we go through, and possibly underneath depending on how much you fill it with. It can contain a lot of space. It has handles. Let's put that away. It does have handles like a normal suitcase here. It also has traditional side pocket for things like umbrellas or small water bottles on the side. But the other big advantage is it just has an enormous amount of pockets and inside areas to store your things securely. Lots of little extras, starting with down the bottom, a nice protector down here for the base, and there's even a little rolling protector as we're going forward. I'll start from the very front, and it just has a single item here. With a nice, again, it just feels a nice quality zip, and then the main item that would be using this first compartment for, just roll it down here. You can see, and I've already started to populate here. We have an RFID for credit cards here, RID proof. We have spots for pens, driving licenses, international permits, passports, etc. Behind here, there's an area which is A4 size to put travel documents, spare photocopies of passports and things. Quite a decent size on the front there. One thing it also has just a little, so if you connect those and you're worried about your passports, then it has a little lock, three numeric lock to start with. So little things like that are really handy. The next major item is for the laptop. It does say it fits 17-inch. Again, an adjustable strap, and then there's a smaller one here for an iPad or similar tablet, Kindle, etc. So that's pretty handy as well. Cool. As we're moving on, and again, nice straps, zips, double zips. You can get some more for secure. This is the main unit, and it really is, as I said in the YouTube short, it's very cavernous. As we go through, there's some see-through pockets on the left-hand side, but you can imagine storing lots of items. For example, for us, we'll be storing a lot of our more fragile camera and GoPro accessories, batteries, storage banks, etc. Nice and collapsible. It can even open right up. So they've really got a lot of detail on this. Very impressed. And just even at the very end, as I said, this is one of the two man rests that they can just slot in over the top of the checked luggage handle. The major handle does go out, I think it's 21 inches. I'll just have a look at this. And for dimensions, it is 18 inches this way. They say 9 inches that way for the old timers, Imperials or the US. And this does go up, and it does get a little bit catchy. There we go. And that goes up 21 inches. So I've got that on the floor. That's more than enough, nice and easy Again, it's brand new, so it's probably catching a little bit. We'll see how we go with use. It is adjustable to 3 different levels depending on your height, and there's a little zip to close out if you just want to carry it by hand. Cool. So there we go, Foam Explorer Travel product and reviews. $99 in summary from Amazon. Yeah, I'd give it a thumbs up. Okay, take care and all the best. Let's dive in from Explorer Travel and product reviews by Gungalia. Okay, bye.